Hi everyone, in today's video we will see Google Fi not fully activated. What to do. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Your device must meet these requirements. Android phone or tablet. Run Android 7.0 and up. Have LTE bands 2 and 4 and support Volt. iPhone and iPad. Run iOS 13 and up. Google Fi only supports eSIM on iPhone 14 and 15. To check the Android OS version, follow these steps. Go to the Settings app on your Android device, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Look for the Android version or software information section. To check the iOS version on an iPhone or iPad, follow these steps. Go to the Settings app on your iOS device. Tap on General and tap on About. Look for the iOS version or software version section. Step 2. Reboot the phone and try activation. To restart an iPhone, follow these steps. Press and hold either volume button or the side button until the power off sliders appear. Drag the slider to the right and wait for 30 seconds for the device to turn off. To turn the device back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Long pressing on/off button on your Android. This is simplest and fastest method. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the device power off and then turn back on. Step 3. Update mobile OS. To update the operating system on an iPhone, follow these steps. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install. Enter the passcode if prompted. Wait for the update to download and install. Keep your device plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi until the update is complete. Restart your phone. To update the operating system on an Android device, follow these steps. Go to Settings, then System, then Software Update. If an update is available, tap on Download and Install. Wait for the update to download and install. Restart your phone. Step 4. Uninstall and reinstall Google Fi app. Go to the Play Store, Apple Store, search for the Google Fi app and click uninstall it. Restart your device, relaunch Google Play or Apple Store, search for Google Fi app and install it. Step 5. Check the Google Fi coverage. Google Fi only works on LTE, 4G or 5G coverage. Check for the coverage in your area. Go to the Google Fi official website and check the coverage map. Input your location and click on Check Coverage button. Set LTE as preferred network type in your mobile. For iOS, launch Settings, then General, then About, then Carrier and select LTE. For Android, open the Settings app and select Internet and Settings, then Mobile Data, then choose your SIM, then Network Mode and then LTE/4G. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.